welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. This is just a real quick one, and it's to say thank you. Thank you very much. About 6 to 8 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Yeah. We were short by 100, I think, to reach our 8,000 subscribers. We have now made it. We have got 8,000 plus.
In fact, we've made it twice, because we got to 8,000 and then we lost one. So we've been waiting 3 days for another one to come along, and we've now 8,001.
It was 8,001 when we looked. But it is thanks to you that have subscribed. I ain't
got to do 8,000, thanks.
Yeah. We sit here and chat, insert your own word there, or I cook, and but it's you that have subscribed that have got us this far. But if you're subscribed, can you do us another favour?
Watch the bloody videos.
And give them a like or a comment.
All that.
You know, I mean, 8,000 subscribers, and we're not even getting, on some videos, 80 watches. So what's that all about?
Because I'm not in all of them.
Even on yours, darling.
All right. Oh, I always get 100.
Eventually.
Bridget comes on, she's got 100 accounts.
Eventually.
Yeah, eventually. Well,
right.
Yeah.
But it is in your viewing and your subscribing is really important to us, and we do appreciate every single one of you. Thank you.
Absolutely.
That it?
Yeah, thank you for, obviously, everything she said, but in a more artistic manner, I would say.
Go ahead.
Or was that autistic? But anyway, one of the two. Yeah, thanks a lot. But when I announced that we needed to get to 8,000, or Pen asked for your help to get to 8,000.
Before Christmas, I asked for, before Christmas, and we've done it. Thank you.
And I basically said that weren't enough. We need to get to 10,000. So we've still got 6 weeks before Christmas. You can still watch videos during Christmas Day. I mean, it won't be anything
bugger all on the telly.
So, yeah, so let's get to 10,000. Forget 9, let's go straight to 10. And it will help us out. I mean, you know, as I say.
It can get a little bit disheartening when you look and you think, goodness me.
And I've got enough heart problems.
You have. But, you know, just a few more watches would be wonderful. A few more likes.
Bridgets.
A few more likes, even better, and comments. But so don't forget to share us on all your social media. And
I've said before, get all your family to subscribe.
Don't say what you have said.
What?
Don't.
Okay. But you got any dead relatives?
Right.
My dad subscribed, and he's been dead. In fact, he subscribed again yesterday.
16 years.
16 years. So there you go. So
right.
It can
That's
be
not true. That's a fib.
No, it is.
We do not cheat.
Yes, he subscribed yesterday.
We do not cheat us to get subscribers, but
my mum's going to subscribe.
He's moaning it's going to go on, and who's going on?
25 years. Actually, longer than
that, darling.
Yeah, well, you know.
30 odd. Right.
Not happy times. But anyway, thank you again. This is going on, and I've got to put it on now because she's supposed to put it on live. So another bloody job for me to do.
Oh, we have so much to do, I tell you.
Anyway, thanks again. Get to 10,000, and let's have 5,000 views per video.
Thanks very much.
Really will make a difference. I'll be able to buy some new pants.
They're supposed to have holes in. 2 legs and the bit that goes over your belly.
Oh, yeah.
Right, that's it. We are definitely going now. Thank you for watching. We'll see you all again very soon in the kitchen with Pen.
And don't forget, keep cooking.